Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the basics of machine learning. My name is Kashinath and today we'll dive into what machine learning is, how it works, and explore some hands-on examples. What is machine learning? So what exactly is machine learning? In simple terms, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that gives computers the ability to learn and make decisions from data without being explicitly programmed. Here's a basic flow of how machine learning works. We start with data, use it to train a model, and then make predictions based on that model. Types of machine learning. Machine learning can be broadly categorized into three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the model is trained on a labeled data set. This means that each example in the training data includes the correct answer, and the model learns to predict these answers for new data. For instance, if we have a dataset of houses with their corresponding prices, we can train a model to predict the price of a new house based on its features. Next, we have unsupervised learning. Here, the model is trained on data without labels. It tries to find hidden patterns or structures within the data. A common application is clustering, where the algorithm groups similar data points together. Lastly, there's reinforcement learning, where an agent learns to make decisions by performing actions in an environment to maximize a reward. Think of it like training a dog with treats. The dog learns which actions lead to rewards and which don't. Concepts in machine learning. Now, let's look at some key concepts in machine learning that are essential to understand. Data is the backbone of machine learning. The quality and quantity of data directly affect the performance of your model. Here's how data flows into a model. We split it into a training set and a testing set. The training set is used to teach the model, and the testing set evaluates its performance. Algorithms are the methods we use to learn from data. Different algorithms are used for different types of problems. Some popular ones include linear regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Training is the process of feeding data to your model so it can learn. Testing, on the other hand, is when you evaluate the model's accuracy on new, unseen data. Here's a graph showing how we measure performance during training and testing. Ideally, the model should perform well on both. Now let's jump into a hands-on example where we'll predict house prices using a simple machine learning model. Here's our dataset. We'll use features like the number of rooms, location, and size of the house to predict its price. First, we'll split our data into training and testing sets, then train a linear regression model on the training data. As you can see, the model is now training on the data. Next, we'll test the model on our testing data to see how well it performs. Here are the results. The model's predictions are close to the actual prices, which means it's performing well. Conclusion. And that's a wrap. We've covered the basics of machine learning, the different types, key concepts, and even built a simple model to predict house prices. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.